Auditions can feel terrifying when you're just getting started. What do you wear? What do you bring? How do you not look like a deer in headlights the second you walk in? But here's the good news. You don't need to know everything. You just need to nail a few key habits that set you up for success. So today I'm giving you 5 essential audition tips that every beginner singer should know, because skipping these can mean the difference between a confident performance and total chaos. So let's get started. Okay, number 1 is that you have to prepare your audition book for your accompanist, not just for you. Okay? Your book should make your accompanist's job as easy as possible. Remember, they're playing for dozens, sometimes hundreds of singers that day. If your sheet music is a mess, it can tank your audition before you even sing a note. So here's what an accompanist-friendly book means. You want to have a clean, double-sided copies. No page turns every 5 seconds, okay? You want to make sure that there are no sheet protectors, okay? Because sheet protectors create a glare, and glare is the enemy. You need to make sure that all cuts are clearly marked with brackets or highlighters. You also need to mark out tempos, the tempo that you start, and if there are any tempo changes that happen within the song or cut. And you need to make sure that there are no loose pages. Everything should be hole punched and secure in a 3-ring binder. So think of your book like a professional resume, clean, polished, and ready to work. Number 2, be prepared for no warm-up room. I know, it's cruel, but sometimes there's no place to warm up before your audition. So what do? You bring your singing straw. Yes, a straw, okay? SOVT, which stands for semi-occluded vocal tract. SOVT exercises, like straw phonation, can help warm up your voice quietly and efficiently without annoying everyone in the hallway. You can vocalize gently, get your breath engaged, and release tension without full-out belting in a stairwell, okay? So all you need to do is just blow into that straw. You can even do very gentle exercises. And that will help get your voice warm, get the breath moving, get your everything vibrating the way that it needs to, easily, efficiently, and without a lot of noise. So always have a straw in your bag. It's your secret weapon when there's no piano, no warm-up room, and no mercy. Okay, number 3, be early. Not just on time, early. Because here's the rule. Early is on time. On time is late. Late is gone. You're not going to get the job. Aim to arrive at least 15 to 20 minutes before your call time. It gives you the time to check in, settle your nerves, breathe, and handle anything unexpected, like a missing headshot or a confusing hallway situation. Running in frazzled at the last second doesn't just mess with your energy, it affects the impression you leave. Calm, prepared energy speaks volumes before you even open your mouth. Number 4 is be kind to everyone. And I cannot stress this enough. Be friendly, be respectful, be gracious, not just to the casting team, but to the person checking you in, to the accompanist, to the other auditioners, to the stage manager, to the intern taping your audition. Please remember kindness. This industry is smaller than you think. And yes, casting teams talk. You don't need to be fake, just be real, be kind, be professional, and always thank your accompanist. Always. Number 5, don't focus on getting the job. Okay, I know that seems counterintuitive, right? But let's reframe the whole reason you're in the room. You are not there to beg for a role. You're there to perform, to share, to tell a story, to express your artistry in 60 seconds or less. Your job isn't to be perfect. Your job is to connect, to be present, and to give them a moment of you. That mindset shift changes everything, because no matter the outcome, you leave the room proud of what you brought. And that's the win. So let's recap your 5 essential audition tips. Number 1, make your audition book accompanist-friendly. Number 2, bring a straw so you can warm up anywhere. Number 3, be early, always. Number 4, be kind to everyone in the building. And number 5, perform with purpose, not desperation. If you do those 5 things, you'll stand out, not just for your voice, but for your professionalism, your energy, and your presence. This is your time to share who you are, not to chase someone else's idea of right. You've got this. So if you found this video helped you feel more confident about the audition process, go ahead and like it, subscribe to the channel, and hit the little bell so you never miss future videos designed to support your journey. Because you've done the work, you're ready. Now step into that audition room with confidence, kindness, and clarity. And as always, keep showing up, keep shining, and stay savvy.